All right, what is up, my retail family? It's your boy Mike coming at you from, you already know, chilling here at the crib. Now, this is not financial advice, and let me reiterate something. This is strictly my very own personal opinion, okay? Now, I'm going to sum it up. This is going to be part 3 of obviously meeting Aron. Now, what I'm about to tell you are, again, strictly my own opinions, my own thoughts. It's just strictly from me, no one else. 0 other people, no one else, strictly myself, okay? Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because I thought long and hard about what's transpired in the last couple of years. A lot has gone down, not only for retail, not only for investors, people looking to get into AMC for a short squeeze to have life-changing money. There was a lot of reasons people got in for the long haul, people that bought in 2020, even before the whole thing with AMC running up and all this other good stuff, right? People got in at all different times. People got in when it was high, 50, 60, 70 bucks. People got in when it was dirt cheap, $1 and some change. All aspects all across the board. Now, I know at one point we had 4 million shareholders. It looks like that the most recent data says that we have 3.8 million. Still, tons and tons of retail investors. Now, being in the play this long, still having the shares, the position, that is fine. For me, again, personally, I'm not going anywhere. Am I frustrated about a lot of things? Yes. Did a lot of things bother me how the companies handled certain situations? Absolutely, 100% yes. Now, knowing what I know now, just to be clear, yes, I am a yes voter. But knowing what I know now, I wouldn't have not voted yes. So let me be clear about that, okay? Now, I want to talk about strictly about Aron. Now, if there's any mistakes, like I always do, just keep it rolling. There's no cuts, there's no editing. I just record, say what I have to say, boom, and I bounce, okay? Now, Aron, we already know that he is a Harvard grad. He's a smart man. He's not dumb in any facet. He has deep ties, deep roots, in a lot of aspects when it comes to the financials, okay? When it comes to different industries. I think people need to understand that. Now, to what those are, again, that's something that I don't know personally. I'm not, somebody that's on his side. I'm not somebody that rolls in those type of circles, okay? Now, one thing I do have to say is the fact that what has he done specifically for retail? What has Aron specifically done for the retail investor? Now, if you can put that in the comments below, tell me what you think he's done for the retail investor, because for me, it's been absolutely squat. He's done nothing, 0. Now, in January, we had a run up, okay? And they took away the buy button. Had nothing to do with Aron. Had nothing to do with him as a CEO or nothing. That was a Robinhood, a Citadel, and all. We already know the whole story for that, okay? But in June, when we had a run up, he's dumping shares in the market. A lot of people say that may cause, AMC to go down by him putting shares in the market. Then it comes to find out after that maybe he prevented the short squeeze, okay? A lot of people got in this play for a short squeeze, including myself, life-changing money. Now, meeting Aron last week, thinking about it, seeing his demeanor, the way he acts. I've seen plenty of videos recently. People have been sending me tons of stuff about when you ask him hard questions, he starts yapping, he starts getting loud, he starts getting edgy, he starts getting irritated. That's not the presence of a CEO. People say, well, it's the handshake, it's this, it's that, it's how he dresses. No, I know plenty of people that don't dress well, but their demeanor, the aura, how they carry themselves is impeccable. They're just different cats, men and women. They have a different edge to them. Something that Aron doesn't have. Now, in my opinion, me personally, just talking again, this is coming strictly from me. I want to make it very clear. This is my opinion, influenced by no one else. I'm my own man. I have my own thoughts, my own opinion. And I don't care what people say. You can say whatever you want to say on Twitter, whatever you want to say on social media. It doesn't bother me. I'm a grown-ass man. I'm not in high school. Aron, when it comes to AMC, with Aron, yes, he is the CEO of AMC. He is the CEO of AMC. But he does not run AMC. He does not call the shots. He's told what to do. He is absolutely, in my opinion, 100% told exactly what to do, how to handle himself, what to do on the daily basis or maybe on a weekly basis, whatever it is. But he is told by either a group of people, by one people, by a different company, what to do. He's not the guy that calls the shots. If he is, then pretty much everything how I believe in my life and how I read people and how I understand coming from where I come from, it's been a lie. I'll tell you right now, I know that's not false at all. I know what I know. Now, going back to the meet and greets really quick. The meet and greets, yes, it's fine. Get out there retail, shaking the hand of a CEO. How many times do people get to do that? And here's the sad thing, okay? The sad thing about that, this is the pinnacle of some people's lives. Meeting a CEO, a company they invest in that they believe in wholeheartedly, including myself. I rolled with Aron, but he has a track record that's not living up to retail expectations. He does not care about the short squeeze. You have to understand he's trying to run a company, but he's not running the company. Now, with that being said, going back to meet and greeting with Aron, to me, it's nothing but a dog and pony show. Let's dangle Aron out there. Let's get him to meet retail and and the CEO and also sign this and sign that. It's nice and all. Makes people warm and fuzzy inside. He's the only CEO to ever go out and meet and greet people and to do all these things. And he likes talking about that and saying that we're here and we did this and we did that. It's a bunch of BS. Almost cussed. I don't buy it. I don't believe it for 1 second. That's just me. Again, personally, this is my opinion. I don't believe it for 1 second. To me, it's nothing but a simple dog and pony show. Let's get this guy, dangle him out there, just to make people happy, to make him think that he's actually doing something, to think that retail, to keep just bringing us in, to keep us bringing us in. But one thing they didn't expect is for us to keep sticking around and start digging, start asking questions. People see a guy like him and they take his word as gospel. Until you actually go up and ask questions to him and see him, look him directly in the eye and be like, hey, such and such is this. What's your answer? He gives you the answer. Hey, you know what? Until you do that, you don't understand where I'm coming from. This is something I had to know for myself. I take time out of my life, out of my busy days, my schedule, everything to go down to San Diego to find out for myself. Because I wasn't going to make these videos just by speculating by, hey, you know what? Have you ever met the guy? No. What happens a lot of times is that in social media, a lot of people become keyboard warriors, right? You know, men and women, they have really big egos and they're pompous about a lot of things. They know everything, you know, but when you're face to face with them, it's a different story. It's like out in the street. People can yap. But all of a sudden around when you get around them and they're the same ones talking smack about you, all of a sudden their whole demeanor changes. They're like, hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man, with me? You know what you said. Speak on it now. They don't. So what he reminds me of, and I wrote this down, and I've been saying this for a while. I've been talking about, you know, to a couple of friends of mine, you know, people that in my circles. Aron reminds me of Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried. That's who he reminds me of. The guy who actually just tanks FTX. Now you ask me why. How did he carry himself? Sloppy, sort of lives like he just rolls out of bed every time. Not that aspect of a billionaire. His aura, his presence, shy, never looked at you. Sort of just talked in one of those type of things. Aron reminds me of Sam Bankman-Fried, just an older version. Aron does not call the shots. This is my personal opinion. He gets pissed off, so be it. Like he said, he's just another dude to me. Now, before I get out of here, I got to say this. I believe in AMC. I wholeheartedly do. I believe in AMC. I do not believe in Adam Aron one bit. I do not believe in Aron at all. He does not have the retail investor best interest in his interest. He does not care about you. The retail investor is always last to know, even when it comes to AMC, even when it comes to Aron, him and his dog and pony show. That's just what it is. This is my opinion. Now, you can be upset by it. You can, you know, say whatever you want to say. I'm telling you my piece. Meeting him last week and the track record from Aron over the last couple of years. I know what I know. I seen what I seen. Shaking his hand, his whole demeanor, his aura, the way he carries himself. Yeah, he's the CEO of a multi-billion-dollar company. And even a run-up in June, $20 billion company. But he doesn't call the shots. Not by a long shot. He does not call the shots. He acts like he does, but he doesn't. Again, that's just my opinion. I'm going to conclude this. I'm I'm approaching 10 minutes. I'm not going to go any further. I said what I had to say. I want my retail fam to understand something. I'm here for the retail investor. I'm here for the retail investor. The retail investor is always last to know. Is the reason why I started my channel. Yes, I rode with AMC. Yes, I rode with AMC. Yes, I rode with Aron. I believe that what he was telling you was trustworthy, was truthful. After all this time, it's not. Again, this is my opinion. I believe in AMC. I'm not going anywhere in that aspect. I believe in AMC. I do not believe in Aron. He gets upset about it. I don't care. It's nothing to do to me. That's all I have. Retail fam, I love y'all. I'll be here for you. No one else. Peace.